Hey guys, WebKing is here. In this short video I want to quickly show you how to buy BAR token from Titanium blockchain infrastructure services. So currently Titanium token is also known as BAR token. So if you want to buy BAR token, the first thing you need to do is to register with MyEtherWallet. So I want to basically show you how to buy BAR token using MyEtherWallet, buying it with your Ethereum. So the first thing you need to do is to log into I'm doing this video at home just in case we are hearing some background noise, so just focus on the video. So log into your MyEtherWallet, come here, come to send EtherWallet, then I want to open this with my private key. I believe you have saved your private key or some of your key store file, so I'm going to open this with my private key. Remember, click on send ether and tokens, click on private key, then provide your private key, then click unlock. The first thing you need to do is to fund your MyEtherWallet account with Ethereum. So currently this MyEtherWallet account is for training, so I don't have Ethereum here. I just want to show you how to buy BAR token here. So what you need to do now is to okay, I will go back to, okay, if you have your Ethereum on MyEtherWallet, move to step 2, go to your Titanium website, click on buy BAR. So just make sure you accept all these agreement. Accept is 1 of 4, this is 2, agree, 2 to go, agree, and this is the last one, agree. So this is my dashboard. As you can see, I want to buy with Ethereum. So what you need to do is to copy your Ethereum contract address that is given to you on your dashboard. Copy it like this. After you copy it, go back to MyEtherWallet to address, paste it here. The amount you want to buy, let's say, is 0.1. Then make sure your gas limit is 200,000. Make sure your gas limit is 200,000. So after that, click on generate transaction. Then after you generate transaction, click on confirm it. So basically it's very simple. This is how to buy BAR token. So after you generate transaction, you click on send transaction. Because I don't have Ethereum on this account, so if I click on send transaction, it's going to tell me insufficient. You're about to send, so you are going to see this, you're about to send 0.1 Ethereum. So from my wallet to my contract wallet. Then if I click yes, I am sure make transaction, it's going to tell me insufficient account. See, insufficient funds, because I don't have Ethereum on this account. So basically that is how to buy BAR token using MyEtherWallet. It's very simple. First thing you need to do is to fund your MyEtherWallet account with Ethereum. Then after that, you go to Titanium website. After coming to your Titanium website, you copy the address given to you to pay into. So you don't need to specify any amount of Titanium or BAR token you want to buy. All you need to do is to specify the amount you are buying with Ethereum. Maybe you want to buy with 0.05. So all you need to do is just to specify the amount you are buying with Ethereum. So then the Titanium blockchain will do the calculation and give to you what equivalent of Ethereum that you have in BAR. So that's it basically. I hope you understand this. So if you have any comment, if you have any thing that you don't understand, you can reach me on WhatsApp, as you are doing it. So all right, I'm gonna sign out now. Take care, bye.